Today I'm going to tell about OBS Studio, which is used for screen recording. If you haven't yet installed OBS Studio on your PC or your device, then you can easily install and use it. Here, the OBS Studio looks like this. So OBS Studio, short for Open Broadcaster Software Studio, is a popular free and open source software for video recording and live streaming. So it offers features like customizable scenes, audio mixing, and support for various video sources including screen captures. It is also used widely by content creators, gamers, and professionals for creating high quality recordings and live stream. In order to record anything on the screen on your PC, the first thing you need to select the screen, and here will be the option of start recording. You can easily click on this button. If you are done with screen recording, you can click on stop recording and easily stop the recording as well. You can also start streaming, start the virtual camera, studio mode, and many more functions are here. You can apply it, and here is the settings option. Also click on it, and here are different settings option. You can customize it in your own way. When you click on video, you can change the base resolutions, output resolutions, and many more options available here. The same on the audio, the sample rate, channels, and many more are here. According to your preference, you can set and customize the settings of OBS Studio. So this is it, guys. I hope you understood what OBS Studio actually is and how does it help for screen recording. And I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment if you have any queries. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.